How to fix Facebook See Dashboard option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix See Dashboard option not showing. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply ensure that your Facebook application is up to date. To check, open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on search icon at bottom right corner. Search bar at top, type in Facebook, and if you see update button, tap update and update it to the latest version. You have to make sure your Facebook app is cache free. Tap and hold Facebook and tap app info. Now select storage uses and tap clear cache. This will fix different kinds of glitches. Now tap open button and open Facebook. Go to three-line icon at top right corner and select your profile name. Tap three dots at next to edit profile and tap turn on professional mode and go through the on-screen prompts. And once you have gone through all the on-screen prompts, you need to refresh your feed. And then you will successfully see dashboard button. So in this way you can easily fix the see dashboard option not showing on Facebook by updating and clearing the cache of Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.